That was a big leap and a big step to take when coming from a support agent or support associate, then jumping into a bigger leadership role, which is being head of support. When you take that kind of role, you're not just going to think about yourself anymore, you're going to think of the sake of the team. And it's not just your workflow that matters, everyone's workflow matters, right? Of course, I already experienced some leadership roles from the past, being an active leader in your college days or being in a team lead role back on my local employment days. But this feels different. It really feels bigger than me. So I feel like it was nerve-wracking to continue climbing the ladder higher because it's a heavier responsibility. What if I fail? What if I don't make it in the team? But at the end of the day, Mike, it's just you embracing the challenge and taking step by step. You're gonna be all right if you set your mind into uh being a good leader, because at the end of the day you're just going to decide things on how can I make things better, right? How can I make things better for the team, not just for myself. So those are the day-to-day considerations that um I keep in mind